Are you one of them girls that abuse out the Bud Light label? Just my own a pool table. Roll your eyes if I call you an angel. Ain't you one of them girls? I ask you to dance, you say no, just to see how far I'll go. The song comes on and your eyes closed, that's when I know, yeah, you got your heart on lockdown. Got a wall, got a knockdown. Kinda wanna do a shot now. Come on now. And you're one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody. You're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. You're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you. You like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Cause I'm one of them boys. So trace home. Yeah. One of them girls who likes to act all quiet, sexy, not even trying. Yeah, you know I ain't lying. You're actually one of them girls broke every heart in your hometown on the day you rolled out. Got 'em all wishing on stars now. If I find one of them girls that ain't trying to meet nobody, you're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. You're one of them girls that ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you. You like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Well, I'm one of them boys. Trade this whole world, yeah. One of them girls. One of them girls I wanna put my lips on, hold all night long, write a little love song. One of them girls I ain't trying to meet nobody. You're just here for the party. If I'm wrong, then stop me. Yeah, you one of them girls I ain't handing out your number. You like to make us want you. You like to make us wonder if you're one of them girls. Well, I'm one of them boys. Trade this whole world, this whole world, for one of them girls. One of them girls.